Good morning. Happy Monday. I have committed myself to getting my swimming in this morning, so I haven't made it there yet. I'm going to go in just a few minutes. Right now, I just wanted to take a quick peek-see-poo at the market. There's a couple things that have been happening this morning that I've kind of passed on, but it's definitely set up for us. And it's these pullbacks that have happened right in here for the push up. It's too late to get into it now. So I'm going to give this about 10 minutes. If I don't see anything in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and get my swim on and then come back a little bit later. Oh, let's look at the daily chart too. Definitely looks like some upward motion in the daily chart. We are below the zero line, which means we can bounce off of there, but this may try and make new highs. I'm going to give it, maybe I'm getting bored, but I can see the possibility for this to slow and roll right here with this major divergence. Okay, turn this off. I feel like I'm kind of trying to force something here, but I know my risk needs to be back behind this area right here. A little bit higher pivot here. We are going to go ahead and close this out, I believe. Let's just make sure this is going to be a reversal bar. Yep. I'm going to close out at this area. I got some swimming to do. We got a reversal bar here. So let's just see what we pulled off in the 30 minutes that I did. Well, it's 12:32. I'm back. I got my swim on, got my shower on, and eating some lunch. I'm just gonna see what's going on for a little bit longer. I may or may not trade more. I don't know. I guess we shall see. Actually gave a nice little another entry with that tiny little reversal bar, that exhaustion bar, that itty bitty one. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, it just wasn't giving that follow through here. The double bar pullback. I should have probably kept it right up behind this area. It may hit here and go down. I think I'm going to go ahead and close it down for today. I got some other things that I'm trying to finish up so I can get moving on to the next chapter of things with responsible day trading. So let's go ahead and mark these up. All right, it's 1 o'clock. I have spent an hour with today trading. I've already got my exercise in. I got my daughter off to camp. I've got my shower. I got 11.5 points. So I guess we'll call that a day. We'll call that a magnificent Monday. What a magnificent Monday it was today. I don't know what kind of accent that was. I'll be Tuesday through Saturday at my friend's house. I don't know. I'll probably trade here tomorrow and then go to her house after. So
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I don't know if I'll trade or not. We'll just kind of see how things roll over there. I may put the dogs up and then come home for a while. We'll just kind of have to go with it. Go with the flow. So that is all for today. If you got questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will definitely look forward to catching you on the profitable side.